Bimbi hindi naapektuhan sa pangbabash sa kanya bilang mama's boy. Anak ni Kris Aquino na si Bimbi, inaming hindi naapektuhan sa pangbabash sa kanya na malaki na siya or kung tawaging mama's boy. Kundi ay blessed pa nga daw ito at happy sa araw-araw na nakakasama niya ang kanyang ina. Eto nga ang panayam ni Bimbi sa YouTube channel ni Ogie Diaz kung saan sila ng mama niya na si Kris Aquino ay in-interview.
Siyempre yung iba parang ang laki-laki na ni Bimbi, tapos parang hindi pa rin maiwan ng nanay. May ganung impression.
Ako, for me, hindi yan problema, Tito Ogie. Kasi I have the best mom nga in the world eh. So, why will it be a problem? Diba? Tsaka, we've been through a lot and she is the number one person here. And the number one person in my life talaga. So, it's really not a problem.
You really cannot imagine kung what if one day, kasi sabi ni Kris gusto ko lang makatapos si Bimbi, college, okay na ako. So, kay Bimbi, okay ba sa'yo yung okay kay Kris? Okay sa mom?
Whatever time God give me and mama, ano yan? Parang, when it was mom's birthday, nagsulat ako ng letter.
Okay.
And in the letter, I said, parang kasi during that time, during mom's birthday, medyo parang things were not looking the best. But they're okay, but they're not looking the best. So, I wrote in the letter na, okay, mom, I know times are tough, pero I'm so thankful na, kasi diba, I'm 17 now. I'm so thankful na I had 17 years with the person I love the most. And di ba nga, other people, they only get to spend 10 years, 5 years with the person they love the most. Swerte na ako na 17 years with my world, my universe, di ba? So, whatever time, whatever God gives us, blessing yun.
So parang advance ang iyong acceptance.
Oo, kasi when did we learn about mom's illness ba? 2018. It took me a few years to really accept. To really accept lang. It took me 2 years to accept. And after acceptance, you learn to surrender lang.
Ini-enjoy mo na lang yung bawat araw.
Yes, oo.
Gising si mama,
Oo.
si mama.
Laughing si mama, and that's the best thing that I hear every day, yung laugh ni mama. At saka the feeling I have when I'm with my mom is indescribable. You really can't explain, parang I really can't explain how much I love my mom.
Komento dito ng netizen. Nakakatuwa naman si Bimbi, very respectful and polite, and he's very mature for his age. He's a blessings for his mom and for his kuya. Iba ang personality ni Bimbi, very down to earth kahit na lumaking marangya. Marami ang mararating ng batang ito dahil mapagmahal sa nanay. Ito ang inyong tagapagbalita araw-araw, ang Showbiz Insider. Huwag kakalimutang pindutin ang subscribe button at i-share ang video.